They've survived 5 mass extinctions, outlived the dinosaurs, thrived without brains for over 650 million years. Jellyfish are among Earth's greatest survivors. But now, something is triggering their takeover of our oceans. From Japan to the Mediterranean, from California to Australia, these translucent invasions are appearing with alarming frequency. Massive jellyfish swarms overwhelm ecosystems, clog fishing nets, and even shut down coastal power plants. Scientists have discovered a disturbing pattern. As our oceans change, jellyfish thrive where other marine life struggles. And our waste management choices are accelerating this shift. Ocean pollution creates low-oxygen dead zones where jellyfish flourish, while fish suffocate. Meanwhile, plastic waste removes jellyfish predators from the ecosystem, allowing their numbers to explode unchecked. This brings us to our letter J, standing for jellyfish swarms. In our Samudra Manthan typeface, it represents nature's warning signal about our ocean's changing health. Through Samudra Manthan, we are addressing the root causes of these imbalances. By diverting plastic waste from our oceans, we help maintain the natural ecosystem where diverse marine life can flourish. Every piece of plastic we prevent from entering our waters helps preserve environments where fish, turtles, and other marine creatures can thrive alongside jellyfish in natural numbers. Each of us can contribute to healthier ocean ecosystems. Here's how you can help restore balance. Properly dispose of all waste, especially plastics. Support efforts to reduce ocean pollution. Jellyfish have survived everything Earth has thrown at them for 650 million years. The question isn't whether they'll survive, it's whether other marine life will survive alongside them. Join us in restoring natural marine equilibrium. Visit Recykal.com to learn how Samudra Manthan is working to create healthier oceans for all species.